Hey guys, so I'm going to kind of walk you through how to navigate our new system, and this is going to help set you up for our first assignment for editors. So we actually have Monarch this year, and that means that you guys are going to be able to use Photoshop. You're going to create sort of very creative, interesting templates. And it's going to be something that's new for you and new for me, so we're going to be learning together. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go and open up, obviously my class link pops up, but you're going to go to Jostens. And I have to change this every single time to 2021. I don't know if you do, but eventually you'll remember to do it. I always forget. And then our job number is 18146, and you have to put that in every single time. So we're going to go to Create, and you'll see where it says Monarch by Jostens. You're going to click on that. Editors are going to really be the only ones that I'm going to trust with this at the beginning because it is so complicated. We're going to create templates and we're going to upload pictures and stuff like that for the staff, but you guys are going to be utilizing this a lot. Now, before you access any of this stuff, InDesign, Photoshop, and a lot of this is going to be you guys playing with it. Before you do that, you actually need to upload pictures. While we're sort of playing around and learning this, I've created a special folder that's just kind of like delete this when we're done playing with it folder. So in order to get to that, the first thing you need to have is some pictures. So what I suggest you guys do for your first assignment is before you even open up InDesign, before you even open up Monarch or Jostens, go find some pictures that have to do with your aesthetic. Because your first assignment is going to be a page, like a yearbook page, introducing yourself to the staff. This is Amanda. This is, all about Amanda's aesthetic. Or, this is Ben, and this is all about Ben aesthetic, okay? So once you've got your pictures and your ideas and your color palette in place, then you're going to go to the Monarch Explorer. Now it's connecting to a computer that's a proxy computer, so it's a little bit further away, which means there's going to be this delay. So if you are clicking on stuff and it's not reacting fast enough for you, give it a chance to catch up because it is going through a proxy computer. So you'll see that we've got what we call the T drive, so the team drive, and you guys are the team. This is the yearbook team. So if you click on the team drive, this is going to pop down. You'll see art collections, newspaper, and newspaper may use this. I don't think that they do, but they might. But we're going to go to 2021 yearbook, and you'll see One Kohanam. So this is going to be your playground area. So if I go to One Kohanam, there'll be an editor's playground, and you'll see there's nothing in there. That's because we need to upload stuff in there. Now, if you click on this like up, that's going to take you back up. I'm sure you guys already know that. But here's where things get kind of funky. So in order for you to upload pictures, and again, these are going to be pictures that we're going to delete completely off the server once we've learned how to use this. So if you, obviously be appropriate, but if you upload something that you're like, God, I hope that never makes it in the book, don't worry. This is just you playing around. So click on where it says uploads here, and you're going to actually upload some objects from your computer into this, and this is called a staging area. So into the staging area. So I'm going to open up my folder, and I'm just going to choose a few of these. So, so this one, and like, let's say this one, and this one, and this one, okay? And I'm just going to move those over like you normally would. And so you'll see that it comes up as a JPEG file there, but it also has this little PS. So the PS is the Photoshop, and that means that this exists not only for InDesign, but also for Photoshop, which we're going to access later on. But for now, just know that if you want to, you can play around with these images in Photoshop a little bit. So you'll see here that some of these are labeled great, like dark summer. That's the type of aesthetic that I'm talking about. This is a picture of me. This has to do with rings, meaning like the rings of the tree, which is what the picture's about. And then there's this one. So before you start uploading a bunch of photos on here so that you are able to see what they are and what they mean, I strongly suggest that when you look at your folder that you don't just have this like 10, 36, 45, 1, 2, underscore 10, whatever. rename that something so that you actually can tell what it is. And you're going to want to do that with your pictures moving forward. Now, obviously stuff that KD Studios is going to upload for us, it's going to be a little bit more difficult, but for when we first start doing this, just so you can see what it is, and so that you know what's yours and what's not yours, make sure that you upload or you rename it something that you understand. I strongly suggest that you rename it with your last name, underscore, and then whatever the subject matter is. Okay, so once you've got these, and notice that it says in the uploads area, so we want to get it out of the staging area, so we're just going to Control A, and then we're going to Control X, that just means cut, and then we're going to go to 2021 yearbook. This is your playground. So if you want to, inside here, you can actually make a new folder for you, because it's going to get deleted. So right click it, rename, Kohanam, and then I'm going to open that up and I'm going to Control V. Oh, no, it didn't work. I forgot. I have to do something different. I did that before too. I knew I was going to do that. Dagnabbit. Yes, I want to delete that. So if I remember correctly, I go to uploads, and then there it is, open in a new tab. So I'm pretty sure I click on this, and then there. So let's go and make sure that it actually moved. And it did. Okay. So go back up to, that's right. So I did that before. See, we're learning together. So go back to, and then you've got your uploads. So I'm just going to move that down to my folder one at a time. Okay. So now that should be in my actual drive. So I'm just going to double check to make sure that it's there. And there it is. Okay. So now I've done that, and I'm going to get out of the Monarch Explorer. To end any of your sessions, it pops up with this error thing. So to end any of your sessions, see how it says your session is running? I don't know if you can see that down at the bottom. Hang on, let me move this. So if you look down here at the very bottom, you'll see where it says your session is running. Here's the deal. We're using a proxy computer. So if you do not exit out of the session, if you don't end the session by clicking that little quit now, then this is going to continue running and continue running and continue running. You have to make sure that when you are done working within the Monarch program, and the Monarch program is InDesign, Photoshop, Bridge, which don't worry about that right now, the Acrobat Reader and Monarch Explorer, all of those programs are under the big umbrella title of the Monarch program. Unless you end it, it's going to continuously run, and we don't want to do that. So instead, what you're going to do is you're going to next step, open up Adobe InDesign. And again, it's going to take a couple of seconds for it to load up because it is accessing another program. It's got to run all of its little scripts and be like, oh, okay, I know what it is, or I know what I'm doing right now. And it's going to pop up like this. Now, I know that when you first look at this screen, it's really intimidating, and it intimidated me a lot. I still don't know a lot of it, but there is enough of it that I can at least start you on this process. So for your first assignment, you guys are going to create basically a yearbook page, and you're going to create a yearbook page that describes who you are so that the staffers can get to know you as a person. So before you do anything, you're going to go to Page Wizard, and you're going to create a page. So click on that, and it says, well, what kind of page do you want to do? Do you want to do a spread? Do you want to do a section template? Do you want to do an in sheet? You know, what type of page do you want to do? So let's just do a spread, because I'd like for you guys to create a 2-page spread. And it says spread to open, and then you'll see that it's got this 01, 02, 11, delete this. And that's just a folder inside the One Kohanam folder that I've picked for us to play around with. So, okay. Now it's going to take a couple seconds, and it comes up with this three column on each side. When we go to print with this, these columns are not going to print. Like the actual color copy of the thing will not show this. These are grid columns to help you figure out like what goes where. So the first step is to create a photo box because I want to show you guys how to input an image in there. So we're going to go over here and we're going to create a rectangle. So all I did is I came over here to the left-hand side in case you couldn't see it. And you'll see all of these things, the selector tool, and I'll talk about that later, direct selection tool, text box, which is important, and then the rectangle tool. So I'm going to show you the first thing that we're going to do is the rectangle so that you can put a picture in there. So I'm moving a picture, and let's say I want a really big picture. So let's do a big picture. And if I want to, I can bleed across, by the way. We've got our gutter there. Okay, so now, see how it's got this green box fill? We're going to put a picture in there by coming over here to the right-hand side, and these should be fairly familiar to you. You should recognize these from last year. So we're going to go to Picture Placer. Now, if you haven't done this correctly, it's going to say there's no place for it to put any pictures on there. It's just going to be like there's nothing over there. Oh, and by the way, when you guys open this up on your browser, do you see how I've got like all of this stuff at the top and I can't really see what it is I'm doing? And I'm going to move my screen over just a little bit so you can actually see. If you come over here to the right-hand side, let's see if I can move me so you can see. Move myself. Over here, you'll see where it says full screen. Okay, so if you click full screen, now it's full screen and I can actually see what it is that I'm looking for. So I'm going to go up here and where it says click here to select folder, and notice that it says Team Drive, so we're on the right place. Click here to select folder. I'm going to go to my folder and head up to 2021 yearbook. Huh, that's weird. I should have pictures in there. No. Oh, wait, I wonder if no, that's weird. I'm supposed to have pictures in there. Let's see. Team Drive, 2021 yearbook. Maybe it's still in uploads? No. Weird. Okay, so let's try something else. So remember I told you guys, I'm learning too. So this is what you do. So you go to, we've got this big green box and that means that it's waiting for a picture. So if we go down here to the bottom, let me move this just a little bit. If we go down here to the bottom to this little gear and click on that, that's going to be our Team Drive. So again, all I did was I went down here to the bottom to the little gear and I went to the Monarch Explorer, okay, and I click on my Team Drive, 2021 yearbook, one Kohanam, Editor's Playground, Kohanam, and then here are all of my things. Now, I've got this big picture box, right? And I want to put something in the big picture box, but I don't really remember what the 103645 because I forgot to label it appropriately, so I'm just going to try and hope that that's okay. So I'm going to grab this guy and just place it there, okay? So that's the big picture that I've got in there. I'm going to close him out. All right, now I want to add some text. So I go over here to the left-hand side and I do a type tool, okay? So I'm going to make a text box and I'm going to type Kohanam aesthetic. Okay, now I can barely read that, so I'm going to, just like you would with Word, I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to make it way, way, way bigger. headline, right? So I want it to be super big. Now I can do this little arrow button. Sorry, I didn't realize you could see that. So I can do this little arrow button up at the very top to make it bigger, to make it smaller. Or just as you guys remember with anything else, you can just type it in here. And let's say I want to make it like 70. Okay. Now, do you see how this little red thing came up? It's like, nope, that's